Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amy Carter. The Doorways is a special program in RVA that provides support to patients receiving medical care and their families. Joining us today to tell us about the Doorways mission and how you can get involved is the CEO of Davis & Green, Greg Green, and the Chief Philanthropy Officer for the Doorways, Sarah Melvin. Welcome to both of you.
Hey, how are you, Amy?
Good, and great to have you on Showcase with me today. So Greg, just to kick things off, tell us, what is the Doorways and when was it established?
So the Doorways is, like, unfortunately, maybe the best kept secret in Richmond. They have been in business for over 40 years, and if you're having a surgery and you need a place to stay or a warm meal, you can find the Doorways, and they operate off of donations. So it's an amazing place that if you're from out of town, if you're in need, you can find a place to stay and get a warm meal. It's an amazing place.
That is amazing.
40 years in business.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Definitely want to learn more. So Sarah, touch on the level of support and the amenities that you guys provide and then what it costs.
Absolutely. So we are located in downtown Richmond, very close to the VCU Health Medical Campus. And we are in an 8-story building with 117 guest rooms. So we average about 150 guests per night in our facility. And we provide lodging and support services for guests and patients and their families who have to travel to Richmond for critical medical care. So we'll talk more about some of the things we provide, but we provide a private room, meals, and also we have the support from social workers who can help counsel our guests.
That is amazing and such a vital need that you're providing for folks who need that medical care. What volunteer opportunities are available at the Doorways?
A whole host of volunteer opportunities, and everything from serving meals, providing and serving meals, to coming in and doing day service projects with your team or your community organization or your church group. And Greg's team knows all about this. They come in often and serve meals to our guests. And one thing we love to promote also is one of our famous and favorite volunteer activities, Windex parties. We have 117 guest rooms with outward-facing windows on downtown Richmond.
Wow.
That get dirty very quickly. And it's a great opportunity for teams to come in and bond and clean and spread a little sunshine for our guests.
I love that, Windex parties. How can the RVA community support what you guys do in your mission?
Absolutely, and as you mentioned, as Greg mentioned, we are donations based. So we don't actually charge our guests for their stay. Rather, we ask them to contribute to their stay about $15 per night. But that obviously doesn't cover the whole cost of their stay. So we rely on the generosity of the Richmond community to support our annual fund, to come in and volunteer, and to support our special events.
Yeah, and you guys have a special event coming up. Tell us about Savor and what can attendees look forward to?
That's right. Savor's coming up on March 8th. It will be the 16th Savor for the Doorways, and it's an event, a special event, that was established by the hospitality community to support the Doorways so that they could use their culinary talents to raise money for our organization. So what it looks like is it's an event that starts with a cocktail hour and silent auction with small plates provided by local chefs, action stations where they're actually preparing on site, and fabulous, amazing local RVA chefs. And then that is followed by a 3-course plated dinner. And again, we have 3 amazing chefs from Virginia. Travis Milton will be joining us, Joy Crump will be joining us, and Ian Bowden will be the featured chef this year at the dinner. All that's followed by a live auction, dessert, and this year, dancing.
That is amazing, so much fun. We want to let folks know how they can get more information. You can scan that QR code. Again, Savor is happening March 8th, 5:30 to 10:30 at Hilo Air at Richmond International Airport.